So may nakikita kami, underrated yung face card niya. Ay, sir. Excuse me. Pwede ako makabala, sir.
Sige.
I'm a photographer. Naghanap kasi kami ng model ngayon and nakita ka namin, kuya. Ang ganda ng face card niyo, sir. Kung okay lang ba, picturean ka namin. Kayo ba ang gumawa nito?
Yes po, industrial engineering. With our instructor.
Ay, ma'am. Ma'am, okay lang kaya ma-picture namin si kuya. Habang dinedemo niya, pwedeng pipicture namin.
Mapuhan kayo sa
Yeah. What's your name? Miguel. Carl, nice to meet you. What's this, sir?
Biochar po, palitada. Parang yung waste po ng city from the wastewater treatment, yung sludge niya po, tina-turn po namin na into reusable products.
Ah, okay. More on portrait kami. Okay lang kaya. Kahit hawakan mo muna, sir. Okay lang labas kaya tayo. Yan, that's good. Dito na lang. Pogi ng bigote niya, sir, no? Yung parang pogi, sir. Wala kayong experience sa modeling or something? Photoshoot, wala ako. Kumusta naman sa pagiging engineering student?
Okay lang.
Okay naman. Mahirap ba? 4 years, di ba? 5 years. Nakaganon lang, nakasmirk. Yan. Okay, that's good. Sa malayo tayo, okay lang ba? Tawagin ka namin doon. Para at least hindi uncomfortable sa maraming tao. Ma'am, is it possible na hiramin namin si kuya? Naka-lean yung isang kamay mo, tapos lean on your one foot, ganyan. Ayan, that's good. Dito kaya? Parang pa ganito. Nakaganon ka lang. Tingin sa malayo, kuya. Parang model face, try natin. Ayun talagang sige, isa pa kuya, isa pa. Naka-lean ka pa ganito. Relax lang, relax. Papogi, parang artista. Ayun. Parang pakul nga. Nakaganito, dito. 3, 2, 1. Aesthetic lang, tignan. Nakaganon lang. Yan. That's good. May face card ka, pwede maging model talaga. Pang billboard. Suot mo yung shades mo, kuya. That's good. 3, 2, 1. Pero anong goals niyo as a industrial engineering?
Goal ko po talaga is mag-business. Naghanap lang po ako ng course na engineering na nakarelate po sa business.
Bakit?
Is industrial engineering.
Paano marirelate yun sa business?
Industrial engineering po kasi is engineering of business.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman yan. Hindi rin lang pala siya more on building.
Specialized po kasi kami sa pag-design ng process and efficiency po. Mga facilities, layout, and product design po.
Kayo yun mostly. Manufacturing. Thanks to knowledge. Pakita ko lang yung photos mo. Guwapo, ang galing Bro, thank you so much. Baka may gusto ka sabihin.
Industrial engineering po is a very good course. It's not only an imaginary engineering. It has a lot of capabilities po and mas marami rin po siyang nagagawa.
Yes. Dean's list ka ba?
Hindi na po.
May bibigay pala ako, sorry. Hair nail salons, gift ko namin sa'yo. Beauty Lounge sa Ligarda Road.
Thank you po.
Yes, bro.